Hello, in this video I'm going to solve question number 3, Problems Set 1, Lecture 2, Lectures in Elementary Number Theory. Let a, b and c be non-zero integers such that a to the fifth divides b to the third and b to the second divides c to the seventh. Show that a to power 9 divides c to power 19. Pause the video at this point and give it a try. Okay, so let us solve the problem. Again, let us mention that I have designed the problems so that the students who are following my lectures on number theory in the same playlist, they can practice about the content of those lectures. So in those lectures, I presented some theorems. Based on those theorems, I want to solve these problems. And again, I'm saying this is by no means probably the only way. You can probably sit down and find other ways yourself. And even the solution that I present here might be you can find a more efficient way of doing it. Okay, because these things needs a little bit of experience, so it seems a little bit random, but that was the goal. I want you to practice so that you can improve your somehow guessing skills. For example, in this problem, a to power 5 b to power divides b to power 3. What I want to do first, I want to raise both sides to power 2. Okay, so these in the beginning might seem random calculations, and by the way, I did some trial and error, okay, to come up with these with this method that I'm presenting here. And that is the goal. I want you to sit down and practice if you want to improve your skills by doing some trial and error. Little by little you become better in guessing what to do. Okay, so the first thing that I will do, I will raise both sides to power 2. But the important thing is that I want you to understand that this is possible based on the theorem that I presented in lecture number 2. So this becomes a to power 10 divides b to power 6. Okay, and from the second one, that b to the power of 2 divides c to power 7, I raise both to power 3 this time. So this becomes b to power 6, and the right hand side becomes c to power 21. The goal behind that is to use transitivity to find the connection between the divisibility of something related to a with divisibility of something related to c, because my goal is to find the connection between the divisibility of a to power 9 and c to power 19. At least by comparing this one, this number divides b to power 6, b to power 6 itself divides another number, so according to the transitivity theorem that we had in lecture 2, a to power 10 divides c to power 21. I would call it a progress. Why? Because my goal is to find this relation. Of course, I was not able yet to find that relation, but I am a little bit closer because I have a connection directly between A and C. Okay, now from here, this is the way that I did it. Might be you can find other numbers as well. I raised both sides to power 9. So the left hand side becomes a to power 90. Of course, 9 was not just very random. I see 9 here. This is 10. I raise it to power 9 to give it 90 with the hope that I can take later the 10th root and come back to a to power 9 that I need. That is my policy. That is my strategy. Okay, so what I will do here, I raise both sides to power 9. The right hand side becomes 189. Okay, my goal, as I told you, I want to take the 10th root from both sides. The left hand side is okay, gives me a to power 9, but the right hand side is c to power 189. So I cannot take the nth root, but the point is that c to power 189 to the theorem, according to the theorem we had, also divides c to power 190. Why 190? Because 190 is 10 times 19, and that is what I have in mind. Again, I can use transitivity. I can say that a to power 90 divides c to power 190, and the rest becomes simple. The left hand side can be written as a to power 9 to power 10 divides, and then the other side can be written as c to power 19 to the same power 10. And we learned in lecture 2 that we can take the 10th root from both sides, meaning that I can simplify these 10s. I can drop the 10s if what is left on the left and what is left on the right are integers, which in this case they are, yes. What is left on the left is just a to power 9. What is left on the right is c to power 19. These are integers because a and c are integers, so this divisibility is also possible. And we reach to the goal. I hope that this video was useful for you. Until the next video, be safe and goodbye. Thank you.